ginagawa ko dito? 10%! Okay, introduction girls. Yung confidence nyo and poise, it's 10%. Clarity and articulation. Hindi ko naintindihan yung articulation eh. Papayado na lang.
Pakigugo.
I-google nyo na lang. 10%! Muy makinig kayo. Oo. Para sa inyo to. Cowgirl attire. Of course, cowgirl attire tayo. Fit and presentation, 5%. Catwalk, 15%. Creativity and originality ng inyong cowboy attire, it's 10%. So, next category, the last one is the floral summer attire, which is 30% of overall. Style and silhouette, 10%. Paki-google na rin. Catwalk, 15%. And floral pattern and design, 5%. Judges, ginaan ko lang ha, I need to say in English.